In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Klaviyo branding from your emails, which can add a more professional touch to your communications and ensure your brand's identity stands front and center. To start, you'll first need to navigate to the Klaviyo homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to Klaviyo, where you manage your emails, flows, and audience. You might already know your way around here, but let's walk through this part to make sure everyone's on the same page. Once you're on the home page, you may notice that certain items might have the Klaviyo branding attached to them, especially if you're on a regular plan. Now, here's an important point to note. If you're using Klaviyo's regular plan, the option to remove branding isn't readily available. You'll need to upgrade your plan to a higher tier to access this feature. So, let's move forward with the steps you'll take once you decide to upgrade. On your screen, look towards the left corner, where you'll see an option that says Remove Klaviyo Branding. This is a crucial step in the process, as it signals to Klaviyo that you're interested in moving forward with making this change. Click on Remove Klaviyo Branding, and you'll be directed to the next step of the process. These changes are not instantaneous and require a bit of patience as you go through the motions of upgrading your service offerings. Next up, you'll need to select the option to Upgrade Now. This action will guide you to Klaviyo's plan options, where you can explore different tiers that might suit your needs better. It's a good time to consider what specific features you require and which plan offers the best value for your email marketing strategy. Upgrading your plan doesn't just allow you to remove the branding, it can also unlock additional features and resources to boost your marketing efforts. Once your plan has been successfully upgraded, you'll be back on track and able to remove the Klaviyo branding more easily. Head back to the main settings or the same menu where you initially selected Remove Klaviyo Branding and complete the process now that your upgraded plan makes it possible. That's essentially it. With these steps, removing Klaviyo branding becomes a straightforward task, allowing your personalized touch to reach your audience more effectively, minus the distraction of external branding. Whether you're running a small business focused on growth or managing a large enterprise with broader marketing needs, having control over your branding is a paramount aspect, and now you'll have the tools to achieve just that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.